I think there are really two parts to your question. One of them is it true that attention spans are shorter today? And then the second one, how does that impact teaching college students, teaching students, and that? I would definitely go in and say that I think definitely we're seeing a society or kind of a cultural shift that isn't real friendly towards inhibition. So what tends to happen is we all have our phone. And the nice thing is with our phone, we have any knowledge we need. But we also don't have any kind of habit or any practice with waiting to get that. So it's basically if I think of something, I Google it. And as soon as I have the thought, here it comes, and we can get there. And I think we do see that. We see a lot of things being able to be right now. Now, what that says about teaching college students, I don't know how different it is from the same issues we've always had, because if you look at college students, kind of their age and their brain development, they are just getting to the end of their brain development where that kind of high impulsivity is dropping down anyway. So I think a lot of it is we still see the same issues, but what it does tell us, I think, is that we need to rethink how we present information. So going a little bit away from brains, we don't need to be the information stores we were before. Before, if you wanted to have some information, you either had to find the book for it, or you had to have that information on hand. We don't anymore. Going back again to our smartphone, that static kind of information is easy to access. What we need to do is think more about how do we train and how do we change the way we kind of educate in order to encourage those skills we're no longer getting in the kind of normal world. So, for example, how do we increase those frontal lobe activities, that critical thinking, that kind of slow down, that build that skill? That's what I think we're missing with a lot of college students who are coming in today, is that inability to slow down and to really kind of think through issues rather than go to the quick answer.